Before we jump into building, let's talk about the difference between agents and flows and kind of the concepts you need to understand. Flows are like assembly lines. Every step is defined. When I get a new lead in Salesforce, go do these 4 things. We need the flow to do that exactly the same way every time. Yes, you can have AI steps in your flow, but AI is not deciding what's going on or what it should do next. Should it go backwards, forwards, wait for a reply? Flows work great when you have a defined input, defined steps, and defined outputs. If you want to be prepared for every meeting, every attendee, flows are perfect. Agents, on the other hand, are like a Roomba. You give them a goal, different integration or tools they can use, and they'll figure out how to get there. They might bump into things, try a few paths, but they're persistent and adapt as they go. How agents work is that you can give them specific integrations. Google Calendar, Salesforce, Zendesk. These are the tools you want it to bounce around in. And you can give it access to Gumloop flows where it can execute specific steps. How agents decides between all of the different tools it can use, how it should respond, when it should wait for approval, and what its objective is, lies in what was called the system prompt. These are the instructions it should follow when you ask the agent a question. So how should you decide between the two? Flows are better suited when you have clear inputs, steps, and outputs. They're perfect for workflows that run frequently, thousands of times a day, and that they're core to your business. Think of things like enrichment, reporting. Often these will be flows. Agents, on the other hand, are perfect when you want to be involved in the process. You want to go back and forth. You're okay with having a different outcome for the same inputs. It's perfect for ad hoc workflows that don't have a specific trigger, but can still be frequent. Think of evaluating a ticket and what to do next, creating a marketing campaign, going back and forth before setting up all of the tasks in a project management software. So that's enough theory. Let's actually jump into building our first Gumloop agent.